What are you guys doing? Are you filling in the trench? Are you helping? Hi, Trinity. Aw, lay down. Aw, get your head up out. Look at that. Where's Mama? Mama is over here working hard, filling in the trench. Where are the babies? There they are. They're filling in the trench too in their own way. Aww. Do we have sleepy babies?
Sarah, get your face out of the dirt, honey.
Hey, Sarah. Oh, what you got on your face?
You guys are silly.
Filling in the trench.
Hey, it's full, look.